Top 5 Best CNC Machine. Number 5. FoxAlien Masuter 4040 CNC Router Machine. The FoxAlien Masuter 4040 CNC router machine is a compact and versatile option for users seeking a balance between performance and portability. With a working area of 15.7 by 15.7 inches, it accommodates a variety of projects, including carving, milling, and engraving on materials such as wood, acrylic, and PCBs. Equipped with a reliable 300-watt spindle motor and a user-friendly Mach 3 control software, the Masuter 4040 provides precise and efficient operation. The machine's sturdy frame ensures stability during use, contributing to the overall quality of the finished projects. The CNC machine features an offline controller, allowing users to operate it without a constant computer connection. This feature enhances convenience and flexibility in different working environments. The Masuter 4040 is suitable for hobbyists, small workshops, or users who require a portable yet capable CNC machine for a variety of applications. Coming in number 4. ORTUR LaserMaster 2S2LU22. The ORTUR LaserMaster 2S2LU22 is a CNC machine specifically designed for laser engraving applications. It stands out for its affordability and compact design, making it suitable for users with limited space or those primarily focused on laser engraving tasks. The machine supports a wide range of materials, including wood, leather, paper, and certain plastics. Equipped with a 32-bit motherboard and a 7-watt laser module, the ORTUR LaserMaster 2 provides precise and detailed engraving capabilities. The machine's frame is made of high-quality aluminum, ensuring stability during operation. The inclusion of protective goggles enhances safety when working with the laser module. User-friendly software and easy assembly contribute to a hassle-free user experience. The ORTUR LaserMaster 2 is an excellent choice for hobbyists, artists, or small businesses looking for an affordable and compact CNC machine with a focus on laser engraving applications. Coming in number 3. Genmitsu CNC Router Machine PROVerXL 4030. The Genmitsu CNC Router Machine PROVerXL 4030 is a robust and larger-scale CNC machine suitable for more extensive projects. It features a spacious work area, measuring 15.7 by 23.6 inches, providing ample space for carving and milling larger materials. This makes it an ideal choice for users working on furniture, signage, or other sizable projects. Powered by a reliable GRBL control board and a 775 spindle motor, the PROVerXL 4030 delivers precise and consistent results across various materials, including wood, plastic, and soft metals. Its sturdy aluminum frame enhances stability during operation, contributing to the machine's overall durability. The anti-backlash lead screws and reinforced gantry design further improve the machine's accuracy and reliability. The inclusion of limit switches and emergency stop features enhances safety during operation. The machine also supports offline operation with its included offline controller, providing flexibility in usage. While the Genmitsu CNC router machine PROVerXL 4030 may require a larger workspace, its capabilities and build quality make it a preferred choice for users engaged in more extensive and intricate CNC projects. Coming in number 2. xTool D1 Pro Laser Engraver 4-in-1. The xTool D1 Pro is a versatile CNC machine that stands out for its 4-in-1 functionality, combining CNC milling, laser engraving, 3D printing, and cutting capabilities. This all-in-one solution appeals to users seeking a comprehensive tool for various applications. The CNC milling feature allows for precision carving and milling, while the laser engraving function adds artistic and detailed designs to a wide range of materials. Equipped with a powerful 32-bit controller and a reliable 775 spindle motor, the xTool D1 Pro delivers consistent and high-quality results. Its open-frame design provides easy access to the work area and allows for larger workpieces. The machine supports a variety of materials, including wood, acrylic, PCB, and certain metals. The inclusion of a touchscreen interface simplifies the operation and setup process, making it accessible for users of different skill levels. Additionally, the machine's enclosure enhances safety by containing dust and debris during operation. The xTool D1 Pro is a suitable choice for users looking for a versatile CNC machine with added features for creative projects. Coming in number 1. Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit. The Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit is a popular choice among hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. It offers a versatile platform for carving, milling, and engraving various materials, including wood, plastic, acrylic, PCBs, and more. Equipped with a 775 motor and a durable GRBL control board, this CNC machine provides precise and reliable performance. One of its notable features is the offline controller, allowing users to operate the machine without a computer connection. This feature enhances convenience and portability, making it an excellent choice for users who prefer standalone functionality. The machine also comes with an integrated cooling fan to prevent overheating during prolonged operation. The Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro is suitable for both beginners and experienced users, thanks to its user-friendly design and straightforward assembly process. Its affordability combined with its capabilities makes it an attractive option for those looking to explore CNC machining without breaking the bank.